Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the exact data columns you will deduplicate. Convert the range to a table so Excel tracks rows. Once done, make sure headers are correct and the selection excludes totals or subtotals. You should make a quick copy of the sheet now to preserve original results. With the table active, you are ready to apply formulas and filters that will identify true duplicates versus unique rows. Because later steps rely on structured references, now you create a helper column to test a combined key across columns using countifs, so you catch duplicates across multiple fields. Once done, enter a formula like equals countifs for each key pair and fill down. This flags rows that have more than one occurrence. Make sure to convert formulas to values if you will sort or filter, because volatile references can shift. After that step, you can safely filter the helper column to show only true duplicates. With duplicates flagged, filter the helper column for true and delete the visible rows to remove duplicate entries. This preserves the first occurrence by design. Once deleted, clear filters and rerun your countifs or use conditional formatting to verify 0 duplicate flags remain. If things go wrong, check for leading/trailing spaces, inconsistent data types, or hidden characters and use trim and value or text functions to normalize. Finally, keep or remove the helper column based on your audit needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.